score like on junior prom. Toss me a basketball and I'll dunk on you. I'm tripping, or a farming done right. I'ma keep it right tonight. On the 4th of July. I see you at school and you look so beautiful. You are the only girl who would come and talk to me.
What's up, everyone? We are working on building a DJ setup. So we have a lot of stuff going on here, and as you can see, we got our GEARDON. Now this thing is amazing, and I'm going to show you more features. You got two mics, which if the microphone volume can be turned up, that if you're in a club, if you're outside, if you're indoors, if you're in another room, you can easily hear. Woo-hoo! So this is at half volume. So guys, that's at half volume. So let's take a look at the karaoke. There's two different apps here. So this is for karaoke if you want to do karaoke. The touch screen is amazing. The screen size is amazing. This whole unit is absolutely amazing so far. I'm super impressed. So some of these are going to be locked that you'll need a price subscription or get the full version for on this app. But we can do I Want to Dance with Somebody. So that one's unlocked. And you can add it to queue. Play now. Volume, change the settings and all kinds of stuff. I'm coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. Alright, so that's just a couple things. Obviously you have Google Play, YouTube, customer service. You can add in your own SD card. You have Bluetooth mode, settings, Wi-Fi. Go under My Apps and you can see other stuff. So all these different settings you can adjust. Spotify. I mean, you can get it. It's pretty much like a sophisticated tablet. All right, so we have our YouTube channel up here. So this is our official music. This is our stuff. So we're gonna actually have a video. So if I would be making a music video, I would have this set up. Again, guys, I'm working on this whole entire setup, but let's play one of our more popular Vex songs.
Blubbering Cave with...
All right, let's get Oz Striker. This one has more of a bass, so let's test out how that sounds.
I'm scoring you like Oz Striker. I'm scoring you like I'm Oz the Striker. If you know he's the GOAT. I'm scoring you like I'm LeBron James.
Yeah, Wanger X Music is back with another banger. Let's go.
I'm the beast when I step on the field. Look at me, you can feel what I need. I'm never gonna run empty, I'm always on fuel. When I have my mind on something, I'm a raven. I'm the beast when I walk into a room. My presence is felt from across the court. Toss my love football and I'll score like on junior prom. Toss me a basketball and I'll dunk on you. I'm tripping, or a farming done right. I'ma keep it right tonight. You can see my glow when you turn off the lights. Or a farm dripping swagger.
Wanger X Music is back with You a Beast. I'm the nightmare you run from.
You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. You ain't got nothing on me.
Yeah.
You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. I'ma show you what a real man is. Okay. You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. You ain't man enough to stand in my face. You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. Yeah, I smack you back down. You know me, you don't know a thing. I'ma put you straight to the basis you bring. Bro, what you mean? You think you can touch me? You can't even keep a candle lit next to me. You a beast, I'm the nightmare you run from. Step in my zone, better pray that you don't come. I don't talk loud, I just move. Oh, please don't. I need you so
This is one of the most professional karaoke machines I have ever seen. It has wheels on it. You can carry it like you would a suitcase. It is really nice. Like, this is amazing. Take a look at all the settings over here. Look at this wide screen. This whole thing is a screen. Think of it like a mega tablet. Speakers, subwoofers, bass, all down through here. On the top, you have LEDs you can turn on, Type-C port, mic in, audio out. You can adjust everything on here. You can turn the whole unit on here. You have a USB port, a TF card port, an HDMI port, mic volume, mic echo, bass volume, treb volume, music volume, power supply goes in here. I mean, 2 microphones that work flawlessly like this. This whole unit is amazing. Like, seriously, guys, if I could give this 1 billion stars, I'd give it 1 billion stars. That's how much I like this, and I've been playing with it for about a week and a half now. It doesn't matter if you're outside, it doesn't matter where you are at. This is a must for everyone. Home use, business use, it doesn't matter. It's amazing. I wish I could play some music on here, but on Amazon, you know, it would be copyrighted. But we have the full review on YT, so you can find us on YT, Scott's Honest Reviews. But I'm telling you, for what you get, this is amazing. Like, I can't praise it enough. It is absolutely amazing. The battery life, amazing. Everything about this is amazing.